How to connect Eero to Frontier router. Plugging an Eero mesh network directly into the active Frontier router creates an immediate double NAT conflict that completely destroys your wireless speed and causes severe device drops. To unlock maximum throughput, you need to bypass Frontier's hardware constraints entirely. Today we are mapping out the precise physical connection to establish a clean, high-speed mesh pipeline. So if you have Frontier fiber, your absolute best move is eliminating the Frontier router from the equation entirely and plugging directly into the ONT or optical network terminal. First, power down your Frontier ONT by pulling its power cable. Disconnect the Frontier router completely. Now run a high-grade Cat6 Ethernet cable from the ONT's primary internet port straight into either port on the back of your primary Eero gateway. Power the ONT back on and wait 3 minutes for the status lights to stabilize. Next, you just open up the Eero application on your mobile device. Then you just tap the blue icon or button labeled Get Started to select Set up a new network from the menu layout and follow the on-screen prompt to initialize the node. If you have a Frontier DSL or hybrid gateway combo that cannot be removed, plug the Eero into an active LAN port on that router. Then you just open up a browser, navigate to 19.2.1682, open a browser, then navigate to the address that is supposed to be your router's default address, enter the stick admin details, click the firewall, and enable DMZ hosting. So remember to power cycle your primary Eero gateway node one final time if you had to configure DMZ on an older Frontier modem. That is it, guys. That's your connection cycle. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe as well.